It's Mitchell Godkin here from Huron Tractor. I'm a precision ag specialist out of the Stainer store, and we've got a pretty exciting test planned here today for our S7 700 demo. This new combine comes with a new feature called Predictive Ground Speed Automation, and what that's going to do for us is it's going to take satellite imagery that we generate over the growing season and send that predictive yield map down to the display. And what it's going to do is sense the heavier areas in the field that are coming from the satellite imagery and slow down the machine in advance before it loads up and bogs the machine down. And then in the lighter crop areas, it's going to speed the machine up again. And like our previous Harvest Smart feature, where it waited for the system to load up as the crop's going through the combine, this new system is going to predictively change your advance rate so that we can keep as much productivity through the combine as we can. The S7 700 we have today is the successor to the very popular S770 model. These are going to be available in the EOP programming that's rolling out in August of this year. So talk to your Huron Tractor sales expert right away now to get one on the way for you.